Hey y'all, I'm giving you some more information of what I'm expecting in this marketing analysis. This is your first real research paper where I'm asking you not only to use your own ideas, but to look and see what other people's ideas are. Now, marketing, advertising, you have a lot of experience in that. From the first time you saw an advertisement on the side of an ice cream truck, making you want to stop them. Oh, the music itself is an advertising, isn't it? You might want to think about that. It's not just visual advertising we're looking for. How do people market themselves? These are the examples I gave you on Moodle for looking at this. I started with Jerry's because here in Eugene we see all the billboards. Better head to Jerry's. And who are they aiming it for? They're aiming it for regular family people, people with dogs, people who need to head to Jerry's because they need something in home improvement. United Colors Benetton, I'm going to the opposite direction. Benetton was known, for at least a bunch of decades, trying to promote diversity. Very controversial in its time, and I've given you a link to what they say is the 10 most controversial of its ads. You might want to look at that and see what you think. Any high-end fashion design, what I'm talking about there are the advertisements that have these sleek-looking couples or single people or something, and sometimes they don't even mention the name of what they're advertising. They just, in the corner, you see a purse or a pair of shoes. Um, very subtle, very high end. I given you the name of a very strange, quirky Swedish design company. I like looking at their colors in particular, and they use older models. Particularly, I'm sorry, I like the one with gray hair. I like her a lot. But they have people who don't usually fit the usual westernized view of beauty. I like that. Dove soap used to do that too. I don't know whether they do or not. But talk about beauty comes in all sizes, shapes, and everything. You might want to look at that. Oh my gosh, Sports Illustrated, this year for the first time used models in different sizes, shapes. You might want to look at advertising. It might be changing, hopefully for the better. Any ecological minded company, I'm thinking of companies that, talk about how they're trying to save the planet. Sometimes they want you to buy their stuff because they'll plant a tree every time you buy something. Um, Rothy's shoes, for example, you look at their website and yeah, they're selling shoes, accessories. So, of course, lots and lots of pictures. And you have to scroll down a little bit till you find out that everything is made from recycled plastic bottles. If I was going to choose them, I think I would look at other advertisements to see if there's some where they prioritize the recycling rather than the shoes. I don't know. John Deere, nothing runs like a deer. Don't know much about John Deere, except it seems like it's aiming toward power. Apple, any tech company, that apple with a bite taken out of it. I'd love for somebody to research and see where on earth that came from. Archimoto, to get back to Eugene, I don't know how they advertise. I know they ran an advertisement with my good friend Lynn Frunmeyer driving one of those things. Of course, it's her son who's running the company, so I can understand that. But it's interesting. What does that show? Anybody can do it. People my age, her age, can do it. Then the Grey Poupon, it was 81. I don't old commercial, but how Grey Poupon mustard is so highfalutin. The gecko used in Geico ads has always struck me as more than a little odd. Other suggestions, I'm thinking of it. You might go for the solar panels companies. The ones I have seen try to address the most important problem people have in buying solar panels, which is the cost. So just choose something. Look at the website. Look and see if you can see something else. Who are they? Who are they aiming it for? What are the problems? How are they going to convince you? It's persuasive writing. How are they going to persuade you to actually buy their things? Have fun. Pick a company that you really are interested in or want to figure out. And let me know if I can help.